Hello kids, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn kitchen items names in English and Urdu. Are you ready? Let's start. Spoon, fork, knife, plate, cup, bowl, kettle, pan, pressure cooker, spatula, whisk, jug, glass, peeler, colander, cutting board, rolling pin, tray, mixing machine, oven, rice cooker, refrigerator, water bottle. Great job! Now you know many kitchen items in English and Urdu. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next learning video. Bye bye.